The Anunnaki. Just the name sparks mystery and intrigue. Imagine ancient beings, not of this earth, influencing the very dawn of humanity, shaping our earliest civilizations. That's the essence of the Anunnaki narratives, stories that have fascinated and puzzled researchers for decades. These stories describe powerful extraterrestrials coming to Earth, bringing with them advanced knowledge and technology. They were not simply visitors passing through. They became deeply involved in our planet's history, potentially manipulating early humans to serve their purposes. Could these stories be more than myths, more than mere legends? Could they hold clues to our very existence, to the origins of humanity itself? The possibility is both intriguing and incredible. Think about the Sumerians, one of the earliest known civilizations. They were an advanced civilization in ancient Mesopotamia, known for their remarkable achievements. They left behind writings on clay tablets, detailing their history and beliefs. These tablets describe a group of deities called the Anunnaki, who played a significant role in their culture. According to these texts, the Anunnaki came to Earth long ago, descending from the heavens. They were in search of gold, a precious resource they needed for their own purposes, but they needed workers to mine it for them. And this is where humans come into the picture. Some believe the Anunnaki used their advanced technology to manipulate early hominids, accelerating our evolution. They created a new species, us, Homo sapiens, through genetic engineering. This idea of ancient aliens shaping humanity is central to the Anunnaki story. It's a controversial theory, yet it persists. This theory raises many questions about our origins and our place in the cosmos. Could our DNA hold the answers to these ancient mysteries? Could we be the descendants of an ancient cosmic experiment, a blend of earthly and extraterrestrial genetics? The Anunnaki narrative invites us to explore these possibilities, challenging our understanding of human history and our place in the universe. Why would the Anunnaki engage in such a bold undertaking? Theories abound, and the possibilities are as fascinating as they are numerous. Some believe the Anunnaki sought to create a workforce, a group of beings to perform laborious tasks. They needed beings intelligent enough to follow orders, but not advanced enough to challenge their authority or rebel against them. Others suggest a more profound purpose, one that goes beyond mere labor. Perhaps the Anunnaki were seeking to imbue humans with specific qualities, traits that would elevate our species. Could they have enhanced our cognitive abilities, making us more intelligent and capable of complex thought? Or maybe they aimed for something even more ambitious, longevity or even immortality, granting us the ability to live far beyond our natural years. These ideas are certainly captivating, sparking the imagination and curiosity of many. The notion of ancient astronauts bestowing upon us the gifts of intelligence or extended lifespan is a theme found in many cultures' mythologies, from the Sumerians to the Egyptians. It speaks to our deepest desires and fears about life, death, and the nature of existence itself, touching on the very essence of what it means to be human. But how much of this is grounded in reality? How much is mere speculation or wishful thinking? While the idea of genetic manipulation by extraterrestrials is intriguing, it's important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism and critical thinking. Extraordinary claims, as they say, require extraordinary evidence. Without solid proof, these theories remain in the realm of fascinating possibilities. The Sumerian texts are central to the Anunnaki narrative. These ancient writings, etched onto clay tablets thousands of years ago, describe the Anunnaki's arrival, their interactions with humans, and their eventual departure from Earth. But are these texts literal historical accounts or elaborate allegories? Interpreting ancient texts is a complex endeavor. Language evolves, meanings shift, and cultural contexts influence how we understand stories passed down through millennia. Some scholars argue that the Anunnaki tales should be understood as metaphors for natural phenomena or social structures. For example, the Anunnaki's search for gold could symbolize humanity's quest for knowledge or power. Similarly, the creation story involving the manipulation of early humans might represent the transition from a nomadic to an agricultural society. It's essential to consider these alternative interpretations, before jumping to conclusions about extraterrestrial intervention. Modern genetic research provides a powerful lens through which to examine the Anunnaki theory. Scientists have mapped the human genome, unraveling the intricate code that shapes our physical and biological characteristics. This knowledge offers insights into our evolutionary journey, tracing our lineage back through countless generations. The evidence overwhelmingly points to a gradual evolution of humans from primate ancestors over millions of years. Natural selection, driven by environmental pressures and random genetic mutations, has shaped our species. This scientific understanding contradicts the idea of a sudden artificial intervention by extraterrestrial engineers. While the Anunnaki narrative offers a compelling story, it lacks the rigorous evidence required to overturn the well-established principles of evolutionary biology. Section 5. Echoes of the Gods, Artifacts and the Anunnaki Connection. Proponents of the Anunnaki theory often point to ancient artifacts as evidence of their presence and influence. Gigantic structures like the pyramids of Egypt or Stonehenge, with their seemingly impossible engineering feats, are cited as proof of technologies beyond the capabilities of early civilizations. Intricate carvings depicting strange beings or objects are interpreted as representations of the Anunnaki and their advanced technology. However, archaeologists and historians offer alternative explanations grounded in cultural context and known historical practices. The pyramids, for instance, were built over generations using ingenious but entirely human methods. Strange carvings, often taken out of context, can be understood within the framework of the civilizations that created them, representing their beliefs, rituals, or artistic expressions. Section 6. Science versus speculation, separating fact from extraterrestrial fantasy. While the Anunnaki narrative is undoubtedly captivating, it's crucial to approach it with a critical and discerning mind. The allure of ancient mysteries and extraterrestrial intervention can cloud judgment and lead to misinterpretations of evidence. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and in the case of the Anunnaki, that evidence is lacking. The Sumerian texts, while fascinating, are open to interpretation and should not be taken as literal historical accounts without corroborating evidence. Modern genetic research contradicts the idea of sudden genetic manipulation, and ancient artifacts, while impressive, can be explained through known historical and archaeological understanding. Section 7. The Ethics of Creation. Should we tamper with the code of life? The Anunnaki narrative raises profound ethical questions about genetic manipulation and the implications of creating or altering life. If, hypothetically, an advanced civilization did possess the ability to manipulate DNA and engineer new species, should they? What are the ethical boundaries of such power? These questions are not merely theoretical. With advancements in genetic engineering, such as CRISPR technology, humans are gaining the ability to alter the very building blocks of life. The Anunnaki story, regardless of its veracity, serves as a cautionary tale, prompting us to consider the potential consequences of our actions. The power to create comes with great responsibility, and it is imperative that we approach such advancements with careful ethical consideration. Section 8. Bridging the gap where ancient myths meet modern marvels. While the Anunnaki theory may not hold up to scientific scrutiny, it highlights the enduring human fascination with our origins and our place in the cosmos. This theory, like many others, serves as a bridge between the known and the unknown, the tangible and the mystical. Ancient myths, though often shrouded in symbolism and allegory, reflect our ancestors' attempts to explain the world around them. These stories were their way of making sense of natural phenomena, life and death, and the mysteries that lay beyond their understanding. They were grappling with questions about creation, the nature of existence, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. These were profound questions that shaped their cultures, their religions, and their philosophies. These are questions that continue to captivate us today. In our quest for knowledge, we turn to science, technology, and exploration, seeking answers to the same fundamental questions that our ancestors pondered. While science provides us with an increasingly detailed understanding of the universe, there is still much that we don't know. Each discovery leads to new questions, and the quest for knowledge is never-ending. The vastness of space, the possibility of other intelligent life, and the mysteries of our own origins continue to inspire wonder and fuel our imaginations. These mysteries remind us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding. Perhaps the true value of the Anunnaki narrative lies not in its literal truth, but in its ability to spark our curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and remind us of the enduring power of storytelling in shaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Stories, whether ancient or modern, have the power to connect us to our past, inspire our present, and guide our future.